In France, there's a very special team of young international researchers. They came together and pooled their expertise in maths, biology and other subjects to take part in a global science competition run by MIT in Boston. Their project, Tackling Tuberculosis.
We were chemists, biologists, people who'd studied economics, everything. 14 of us, 9 nationalities, really a good mix. All different backgrounds and enormous creativity. When someone said something, that sparked an idea in someone else. We spent a lot of time just throwing ideas around. We had this kind of yes and what else concept. Never to say no, it's not a good idea, but yes and what else.
They also had Marguerite, a designer who knew little about science. Her involvement forced the others to think outside their comfort zones. Into the realm of science, technology, engineering and maths, Marguerite brought artistic creativity.
The work was not typical for a designer. We have to get really involved in society, how people perceive technology, how they live, and how we communicate. Their job is actually to create these technologies. They don't have to worry about how they're applied. I'm really a bridge between the scientific world and society.
She was asking very relevant questions because she wasn't carrying any scientific baggage. We really did build this project together, and she helped us a lot with giving shape to the ideas. That brought everything together and identified what was important, what would work in some cases, and what would work in others. It was very important for scientific rigour.
For the group's supervisor, sharing knowledge is the way forward.
What I would like to see sort of in the future is a world in which people that have good ideas, independent whether they were licensed to do research because they passed 3 years of university and a master program, etc., they could be linked directly with teams in labs in the academic world that are interested in their ideas and make common projects. And this kind of approach of taking what is called sort of the DIYers on one side and on the other side of the barrier, the academy, and build links, build walls, build an interchange between these two communities, that would be the key for the future.
After winning the competition, the team of young French researchers has already reformed for a new project. The artist Marguerite is playing her part too.